In this video, I'll show you how to write a business plan with Claude AI. This is a simple way to generate a structured plan for your business idea. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to create a business plan. For example, I might type, "Write a business plan for a small online clothing store." After typing the prompt, I'll click the send button. Claude will generate a business plan, usually including sections like an overview, target market, products or services, marketing strategy, and financial plan. If I want a more detailed plan, I can include more information in my prompt, such as the business type, target audience, or goals. For example, I might type, "Create a business plan for a coffee shop targeting young professionals." Claude can also help refine each section by expanding details or adjusting the strategy. Once the business plan is ready, I can copy or download the content and use it for planning or presentations. And that's it, I've successfully created a business plan using Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.